Hey everybody, today I want to show you a keto version of the famous garlic parmesan chicken pasta stuff that everybody likes. I also have done the actual regular version of this. You'll just have to look for it. I can try to post a link below. This one is going to be the keto friendly version, and this one's going to be stovetop. The other one was crock pot, so it's a little bit different. So first thing you need to do is get you 2 to 3 good sized chicken breasts. Chop those up really small. I put them in less than bite-sized pieces, a little bit less. And cook them up with a little bit of olive oil. Alright, now we're going to remove them from the pan. And we're going to use the same pan for the sauce. So I took an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and I softened it in the microwave to make this go along a little bit faster. Okay, and you need this on low heat because you're really just kind of warming it up. Now, go ahead and add your sauce, and you're gonna have to kind of stand over it because you don't want it to scorch. Alright, so add your whole bottle of sauce. It's 12 ounces. It's the Parmesan garlic wing sauce. This is the Walmart brand. But you are more than welcome to use name brand if you can find it. So put the whole thing of sauce on there. And then you're going to put about a cup of milk in your bottle that you remove the sauce from, and then you're going to shake it up, and then you're going to put it back on here, put it back in the pan. Okay, now this is already on medium heat, and all I'm doing is just making me a sauce for my cheese, for my chicken. Make sure you keep it on low so it doesn't scorch. And I'm going to serve this over spaghetti squash, but you can serve it over broccoli or green beans or any kind of alternative pasta that's keto friendly. Starting to bubble just a little bit, so you need to add your chicken pieces back to it. And right now I'm going to switch over to a cooking spoon, and you're just going to mix this in together. Now of course the crock pot version will probably be a lot more flavorful, but this is good for those quick meals and you're like, I really want that, but I just don't have the time to cook it. Crock pots take a long time. They're all about being slow. And you can as well serve this over regular pasta. Don't get me wrong about that. You still can. But what I'm going to do is show you the finished product served over spaghetti squash. Spaghetti squash that I had already baked in the oven and prepared. And I'm going to sprinkle the spaghetti squash with a little bit of garlic and salt and pepper. And then put this on top. Okay, y'all. This is the finished product. This is the sauce over the spaghetti squash. And like I said, you can do anything you want to with it. I just wouldn't combine whatever you're using for pasta. I would not combine it in the sauce unless it's actually a pasta instead of a vegetable. But other than that, it's easy to do, simple, only takes a few minutes. Alright, see y'all in the next one.